to your is to record a demo of all the music that you have been playing and working on. A demo can include a variety of music. It can have original tunes you've written, it can have covers of other tunes that have been previously played, and it can have jams, so just free music that you play at the same time. An example of some demos are as follows. This is one for a friend's band of mine. It is in just paper fold envelope and printed off a computer. A lot of these can be made at home from home CD productions softwares. Another type of demo, which is a little bit more upscale, has a smaller case and but still includes a makeshift type cover. As you can tell, this has also been printed off of a computer. There are many places where you can, after you have recorded your CD, that you can order lots of discs in manufacturing. These include magazines such as Oasis.